When starting your cooling towers up in the spring, a good system clean should be followed by a great corrosion inhibitor. Quick Pass is the ideal solution to protect your valuable cooling system. Corrosion is an ongoing issue in most cooling and heating systems. Unchecked, corrosion can cause severe damage to expensive capital equipment, as well as open and closed loop piping, resulting in repairs that can cost thousands of dollars. Most water treatment programs can effectively control corrosion during the operating season, but are unable to protect metal surfaces during the off-season due to shutdowns. Quick Pass is specially formulated to quickly and completely passivate ferrous metals by forming a protective film. Quick Pass reacts with the metal surfaces in your system to provide corrosion protection without interfering with heat transfer or energy efficiency. Quick Pass should be used at spring startup to pre-treat and passivate all metal surfaces. It should be used again in the fall, just prior to system shutdown, to preserve metal surfaces during the off-season. Quick Pass. Top-of-the-line corrosion protection for your cooling system. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.